Hello, hello!
Hi everybody, guess what today is?
Vacation day!
Vacation day. We're headed out to the Mexican Riviera.
And our bags are all packed. We are ready to go.
We got our parking pass.
Woohoo!
The gate is just open. We're headed to the parking structure to park our car and unload our luggage.
Yay!
Here
we made
we
it!
go. We made it. And we got all our luggage. We're all packed and ready to go. Okay, so we just took everything out of the car. We've got probably way too much stuff, but we're gonna get onto this boat and have a good time.
Here it is! We made it!
Okay, so we just got here, and you're not gonna believe how insane this line is. Oh my God, everybody's checking in at 12:30. Look at this.
This is the line. Look how crazy, insane long it is. And we were at 12:30 till 1 o'clock. And look at this line. There's more people waiting over there too.
Okay, so the line was crazy, and we finally made it to the front. Here we go. Check it out.
Okay, we're about to go through security and then on the ship. There's everybody's luggage.
Okay, so this is the welcoming committee right behind us. We just made it on the ship. We are excited to be here. Hallelujah. Right.
Okay, so we are on level 8, and now let's find our room. 8446.
Okay, we made it to our room, 8446. I've got the key card in my hand, and let's open it up. Let's get inside and take a look.
Beautiful. Nice. So we got a big screen TV, also a king size bed, 2 nightstands and 2 lamps, and also this nice big couch. Beautiful. And they've also given us some pool towels too. Very nice. And they also have a desk area here with a nice vanity and shelving too. They also have a refrigerator here as well. This is what the refrigerator looks like. And also a tip of advice, if you have this propped open, it will keep your refrigerator cooler. Just something for you to think about. There's also 2 extension cords here, as well as a USB ports as well, and a phone, and also a blow dryer and another drawer area too. They also have 3 closets. This is what the first one looks like. It also has an area for the safe for you to put all your valuables inside. And then it has 3 drawers here as well. Beautiful. There's also a closet here as well, and you're able to hang your items from. And also a tip, if it becomes too noisy, you can wrap a towel around these hangers so they don't shake during the middle of the night. And this is what the other side of the closet looks like. It also is very spacious. This is where you would put your long dresses or jackets. And it also has a mirror here too as well. Also, in the middle cabinet, you're going to find right here, if you lift this, it's gonna give you an extra storage, just like that. So you can use it as a shelf too. Now let's go check out the bathroom. So this is what the shower looks like. Very nice. And it also comes with body wash as well as shampoo and a shelf for you to put your toiletries on. There's also a clothesline here as well, so you can hang up all your wet bathing suits or t-shirts too. They also have a handle here to hold on to, just in case you're in the shower and there's rough waters. And of course, there's a toilet, and that is the button you push for flushing the toilet. And here is the towel racks. And a really nice feature is that they provide you a magnifying mirror as well. So it's gonna feel like you're just at home. They also have some more shelves here as well. And they also have provided you a sink area, as well as soap and tissue paper area as well, and a trash can. They also have continued the shelves here on this side as well. And this is also a balcony room. So let's see what the balcony looks like. And they have these blackout curtains to help block the light. So you get a big window as well as a door too. And when you push on the door, make sure you don't slam the door also, because it's very heavy, and try to close it gently. Your neighbors will appreciate that. And this is what the balcony looks like. You get 2 chairs as well as an end table too. And you also get these windows for you to look over your balcony, and look how beautiful it is. What a gorgeous day to go on a cruise. Here's another tip. When you get things from Amazon, make sure you save those Ziploc bags, because they're really easy to put all your shoes inside, and because they're clear, you're able to see all that you packed, and it keeps your luggage being nice and clean.
Okay, so we're gonna put up our traditional door hanger, and what this does is it separates our doors from the other ones. So it gives us recognition and ID for our particular room. I'm gonna hang this up.
And always make sure to use painter's tape or magnets, because you don't want to damage these doors.
All right, we're set.
Okay, besides this, we're also gonna hang out some construction paper hearts, because it is our 6-year anniversary, and this really helps you distinguish which one is your room, because all these rooms look the same. So here I go. There's 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts, and 4 hearts. I guess I should have done 6 hearts because it is our 6-year anniversary. Okay, we made it.
Time to wash our hands. Check this out.
I'm washing my hands, and now we're at the Lido deck, and we're gonna have our lunch. Hey, let's go eat. We just grabbed the buffet, and we're about to have lunch.
Yes, I've been waiting for this. This is gonna be delicious. Got myself a salad and a plate of delicious food. Let's dig in.
Yum. I also got some salad as well as a plate. Yum, yum, yum. The last people boarding the ship. Last call is 3 o'clock. Hurry up on board. Here's the muster station drill. Party started.
Cheers.
Cheers. We just got our first drink. I got a fun ship, and Alex?
Cranberry vodka, my favorite.
Cheers. Yeah. Now let's go hit the sail away party.
All right, we're getting ready to take off. Listen to that noise. Oh, wow. That's the warning that they're taking off. Let's do it.
We just started sailing away. Whoop whoop.
I see a lot of you up there at deck 11. A lot of you up there at deck 12. Are you ready to go?
It's a celebration.
so we're at the Serenity Deck, and this is really nice because they set out this whole area just for the adults, no children allowed. They got the best bar. Check this place out.
That's my fun ship. Thank you. Okay, let's sit and relax and enjoying the view. Check out what we're gonna hide today. We're gonna hide the cruise ducks. How cool are these? So my husband and I, we decided to get 25 cruise ducks, and then we also put our name as well as our business card, and it says keep or hide, you decide. So this is gonna be so much fun to hide around the ship. We're gonna do about 5 every day. So it's dinner time and we have anytime dining. But you gotta remember to put your Wi-Fi on, the Carnival Wi-Fi, and then you have to check in for your dining. And it's gonna be about a 10-minute wait, but some people have been waiting for almost 20 minutes. So just keep that in mind and be patient.
Wow, how beautiful is this? They gave us the perfect table with the perfect view. How awesome is this?
And I have my perfect honey with me.
Oh, I love you, honey.
I love you. Dinner's here, and Alex got the sweet and sour shrimp with some rice. Yum, yum, yum. And I got the pollo parmigiano della cocina, which is going to be delicious. It's going to be chicken with pasta and a couple of broccoli pieces too, because we want to eat healthy, right?
Number.
Okay, we're
If it
at
didn't work,
bingo.
try opening up
We're not
the tab.
playing, we're just watching because we're waiting for the next show to come.
Here we go.
Lots
First
of
bingo
people are
line
here.
on blue. 074.
Bingo!
Yeah, there we go. Good evening, Carnival Panorama family, and welcome inside the Liquid Lounge for your Welcome Aboard show. The first question, the most important question right now: who's excited to be on vacation? Dad? Okay. Save your energy. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need it to impress us in a little bit. But for those who haven't met me just yet, my name is Marty. I'm your cruise director, all the way from Sussex, England. But there is some junior cruisers on board, so we actually have a junior cruiser that wanted to help me out during the show. So Lily, let's meet our junior cruiser. Let's get him up here on the stage. Perfect. Can you tell us your name? Bella? Drella? Okay, you should have just said that the first time. That's okay. And where are you from? Where are you from? Are you from America? No? Mexico? This is going to be a long night. Family? Where are you from? Arizona? You from Arizona? Yeah, there we go. I mean, Arizona is pretty big, but it's still in America. Now, we had a junior cruiser up here on the stage, but right now, I need to get some fun adults on stage. So, before you volunteer, I am looking for 2 couples to take part in a game up here on the stage. Stand up next to each other, stand up. I need 2 fun couples. Okay, so let's find out who we got. Tell us your names and where you're from.
Leslie and Joe, we are from Los Angeles, California.
Ah, there we go. How do you two know
And
each
it's his
other?
birthday cruise too.
Birthday cruise, and how do you two know each other?
We're married.
Is that why he's not allowed to talk? All right, perfect. And how long have you two been married?
4 years.
4 years, there we go, nice, there we go. Well, happy birthday, mate, happy birthday. I think you've said everything now.
Oh, at the time?
There we go, oh. And who else? Just you two on the ship?
Yes, no kids.
Oh, there we go, so you're excited about that. Perfect, there we go. All right, let's find out who we got over here. Tell us your names, where you from?
Hi, my name is Amy. This is Alexis, my husband. We're from Denver, Colorado,
Okay.
and it's our 3-year anniversary tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Is it just you two on the ship?
It's our second time.
Is it just you two? Do you know anyone
Oh,
else?
it's just us.
Perfect. All right, so we're going to have some fun. And we're going to attach the equipment for today's game right here. So, we're going to attach the equipment. All right, perfect. The idea of this game is, as you can see, there's balls in the box right here. There's balls in the box. You actually need to shake your balls and try and get the balls outside the box, all right? So you're going to be shaking the balls right here. 60 seconds on the clock. You've got to shake what you've got right here and see who can get the most balls out of the box in 60 seconds. You ready? You ready? Audience, you ready? Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, start shaking! Start shaking! Keep going! Keep going!
Are you okay over here? You all good? Yeah? You good over here? No. Good job. Let's give a round of applause to our contestants up here on the stage. You did a fantastic job. Now, you both nearly completed it. You both had one ball left, and when I went to sudden death, there was still no winner. So, we're actually going to make you both winners for today's game. But right now, let's meet our players' performance. Let's do this.
Okay, we're in the casino. Here we go, we're gonna hide our first duck. Quack, quack. And there you go. Yay, it's our first duck. Quack, quack. Time to hide another duck.
Have a frightfully good time tonight.
Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video.